What if someone has no degree? How can they still improve with ChatGPT? Can ChatGPT help people learn real communication skills? Is ChatGPT a replacement for education or just a support tool? How can someone use ChatGPT to express themselves better in English? What's your advice for those who want to use ChatGPT for growth and learning? How important is consistency when learning with ChatGPT? What is one mistake people make when using ChatGPT? How can someone turn ChatGPT into a personal teacher? Does ChatGPT give the answers, or does it help us think better? How has your own communication improved through ChatGPT? Better? For what role does AI like ChatGPT play in developing modern skills? How can beginners start using ChatGPT effectively? Is ChatGPT helpful for personal growth and confidence? What did you learn about communication through ChatGPT? What message would you give to those who feel shy speaking English? Even if someone has no degree, ChatGPT can help them learn step by step if they are willing to put in effort and practice. Yes, ChatGPT can help people improve real communication skills because it gives examples, corrections, and confidence in speaking. ChatGPT is not a replacement for education. It is a supporting tool that strengthens your learning. ChatGPT helped me express myself better in English by suggesting better wording and showing how sentences should flow naturally. My advice is, don't be afraid. Speak, practice, make mistakes. ChatGPT will. Consistency is the key. Using ChatGPT daily builds real skill, just like exercising a muscle. One common mistake is copying answers. Instead, we must understand and learn from them. You can turn ChatGPT into your personal teacher by asking it questions, requesting examples, and practicing dialogue. ChatGPT doesn't just give answers, it guides our thinking and expands our understanding. My communication improved because ChatGPT corrected my grammar, suggested better phrases, and boosted my confidence. AI like ChatGPT helps develop modern skills like research, writing, presentation, and problem solving. Beginners should start by asking simple questions and slowly build up to more complex conversations. Yes, ChatGPT helps with personal growth by encouraging curiosity and continuous learning. I learned to communicate clearly, respectfully, and professionally, especially in English. Don't rely on talent alone. Rely on effort, practice, and smart tools like ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. If you enjoyed this video, please comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my new channel Kaka AI. On the screen display will be linked Kaka AI. In the next video, we'll explore Meta AI. Don't miss it.